but they're a very, very good team. And I think if you look at the last 4 years with Didier, quarter-final of a World Cup, final of a European Championships, they've qualified again. So yeah, we're up against real good opposition tomorrow night. The only reason now we get this game is because we've been recognised ourselves as a good team. So of course it's a tough game for us, but we faced tough teams before, and that's how you learn about yourself against the stronger teams, and that's what will happen tomorrow night.